Hi everyone! I showed you the first diamond painting I did about 5 months ago when In Love Arts sent me some stamps and 2 diamond paintings for a video. I only completed one of them in that first video, so here's the second one. I tried to finish the first diamond painting pretty quickly to get the video out fast, but I certainly took my time with this second one. I started it at the end of August last year and finished it in January. Unfortunately, I didn't keep track of how many hours it took and I did most of it off camera, so the length of the video footage doesn't tell much. I also recorded some of the diamond painting audio towards the end, so you can expect another ASMR diamond painting video to come out on the ASMR channel at some point. In this video, I'll talk about some things I've learned from these 2 diamond paintings I've done. However, I won't repeat what I said in the previous video, so if you want to know about things like the basics of how diamond painting works, or ways to fill in solid color areas fast, or different ways to straighten the canvas, or how to catch the beads easily when you knock over the tray or spill one of the bead bags, which happened to me a lot, then go watch that video. I think I straightened this canvas just by stacking up some heavy books on top of it. I mentioned in the last video that there were no instructions on the package and you had to look them up on the website. Well, with this one there are instructions in English on the cardboard box itself. So I used to think of diamond painting as a relaxing activity to do by yourself, but it could also be a group activity. I read or saw somewhere that some people do it as a mother and daughter hobby, so I decided to try out if my 8-year-old niece was able to do it and if she would like this, and she was, and she did. We had a kids movie playing in the background and continued the diamond painting for a couple of hours. I just gave her a designated color and showed which code it corresponds to. You just need a second tray and a dotting pen tool, which I had since I got the tools in both kits, and then you can work on different parts of the same painting at the same time. I also got her a small diamond painting kit for Christmas after this, which she also liked. It's the type where you fill in only the image in the middle and the background is left blank. So it's not as intimidating as these big ones. Another observation that came out of this is that you need good lighting. My living room didn't have much lighting when we were working on this, and it can be pretty hard and straining on the eyes. I've done both diamond paintings mostly on my filming desk, which has better lighting, so that was a lot easier. Some people even used a light box under the diamond painting. This one is a bit bigger than the one I did before and has a lot more colors of beads. The butterfly heart was 25 by 25 centimeters with a solid white background, and this one is 30 by 30 centimeters with really no large solid color areas. So I used any small plastic containers and lids I had to store the beads after opening the packages, and then continued with the resealable plastic bags they provided, but I ran out of them pretty quickly, so I just kept the rest of the opened bags in a container together and hoped they wouldn't spill too much. If you're planning to do more diamond painting, you could get a bigger container or organizer that has a lid and lots of compartments for the different colored beads. But I'm not planning to do more of them, at least for now, so this worked out for me. You might run into an issue of missing beads sometimes, but there were enough beads in this kit and in the last one I did. I had leftovers of all the colors. I did combine new beads with any leftovers from the last painting if they had the same colors though. The result is again quite pixelated looking, especially the eyes of the elephant. but it's still recognizable, and I think that's just what you get if the image is detailed but the canvas is quite small. So this one would probably look better in a bit bigger size. Since these kits come unstretched and without the stretcher bars, you need to do the framing or stretching yourself. I haven't framed these diamond paintings yet, so I'll get back to you when I do. If you're interested in checking out the In Love Arts shop and their diamond painting kits and crafting supplies, I'll link them below. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye!